Poppy, slow down. They can't keep up.
Is there a problem? Easy, Poppy, easy. Come on, slow down, silly. Poppy, they're going to give up.
Poppy.
Poppy?
What's her deal?
I don't know how much slow to take out a puppy. Here.
All right, Poppy, settle down.
Probably did that because you were filming.
I don't know.
Wanted to be the star of the film.
The craziest thing I've ever seen. I picked up the camera and she got the toy and acted like a freak.
Where'd you put that toy, Pop? You silly puppies. Did you have to chase your mommy?
My Coke. Product placement. Here, puppies.
Got a little wet last night. Sounded heavy. Or nocturnal storms.